esteemed excellencies, before we proceed to the official commencement by our distinguished host, Indonesia, allow us to collectively center our attention on the inauguration of this gathering. I extend an invitation to the Indonesian host, President Joko Widodo, to deliver the formal opening address for this convening of the ASEAN Plus 3 high-level meeting. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates from Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, China, and South Korea. Welcome to Indonesia, the host of this ASEAN Plus 3 high-level meeting. I, Joko Widodo, take a great pride in welcoming the delegation from our important partners, countries in Southeast and East Asia. This meeting presents a valuable opportunity for us all to come together, strengthen cooperation, and explore new opportunities within the context of ASEAN Plus 3. As the host, Indonesia is committed to ensuring that this meeting serves as a productive and meaningful platform for all parties involved. To our esteemed counterparts from Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, China, and South Korea, we extend heartfelt thanks for your participation and contribution to our collective effort in building a stable and prosperous region. Before us today, there are various strategic issues that require our joint discussion, ranging from increasing trade and investment to regional security, as well as cooperation in education, technology, and the environment. Indonesia invites all parties to share view, experience, and initiation that can strengthen cooperation among us. Let us engage in open and constructive dialogue and commit to achieving mutually beneficial agreements for all countries. Before we commence our discussion, allow me once again to express gratitude for your presence. May this ASEAN Plus 3 high-level meeting be a significant milestone in strengthening our relation and realizing our shared vision for a better future for our region. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, following the remarkable opening by our esteemed host, Indonesia, we shall now proceed with the opening remarks from the next country, Singapore. I invite the representative from Singapore to deliver the official opening words. Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, I, Tharman Shanmugaratnam, representing Singapore, would like to express sincere appreciation for the cooperation that has been fostered among ASEAN countries and our Plus 3 partners. Singapore firmly believes that strong regional cooperation is crucial in addressing the complex challenges facing our region. We hope that ASEAN Plus 3 will continue to enhance cooperation in various areas, including trade, investment, security, and human development. We also advocate for strengthening dialogue and consultation in addressing urgent regional and global issues. Singapore emphasized the importance of maintaining this region open, inclusive, and rule-based. We are committed to playing an active role in strengthening the ASEAN Plus 3 partnership to achieve peace, stability, and sustainable prosperity in this region. Thank you. Your Excellencies, after carefully listening to the remarks from South Korea, we will now proceed with the opening remark from the next country, Japan. I would like to invite the representative from Japan to deliver the official address. Thank you.
Thank you, esteemed Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, I, Fumio Kishida, proudly representing Japan, wish to express sincere appreciation for this opportunity to address to delegates from ASEAN and our Plus 3 partners. Japan acknowledges the importance of close cooperation among ASEAN countries and our Plus 3 partners in promoting peace, stability, and prosperity in this region. We hope that ASEAN Plus 3 will continue the strengthened dialogue and cooperation in various fields, including trade, investment, security, and human development. We also embrace the importance of addressing common challenges such as climate change, food security, and energy security. In this context, Japan is ready to actively engage in strengthening the ASEAN Plus 3 partnership to achieve beneficial outcomes for all parties involved. We hope that this meeting will serve as product platform for sharing views and experience, as well as formulating concrete steps to advance regional cooperation in the future. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, after carefully listening to the meaningful remarks from Japan, we will now proceed with the opening remarks from the next country, which is China. I would like to invite the representative from China to deliver the official address. Thank you.
Thank you, esteemed Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, I, Xi Jinping, respectfully representing China, wish to express gratitude for this opportunity to address the delegates from ASEAN and our Plus 3 partners. China views ASEAN Plus 3 cooperation as a crucial foundation for stability and prosperity in this region. We believe that strengthening this cooperation, we can create a conducive environment for sustainable economic growth and lasting peace. We call for increased collaboration in various fields, including trade, investment, security, and innovation. Through continued constructive dialogue, we are confident that we can overcome the various challenges facing this region and create a better future for all parties involved. China is committed to working with all ASEAN Plus 3 members countries to achieve our common goals. We hope that this meeting will be a good starting point towards closer and more beneficial cooperation in the future. Thank you.
Distinguished representative from Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, China, and South Korea, I extend a heartfelt gratitude for your exceptional and inspiring opening remarks. Esteemed colleagues from ASEAN Plus 3, having listened to the stirring addresses from our partner countries, it is now time to proceed to the next item on our agenda. I invite all ASEAN Plus 3 representatives to transition to the next session, while simultaneously requesting the attending media personnel to vacate the premises as the plenary session is about to commence. Thank you for your attention, and let us continue with unwavering enthusiasm for collaboration. Thank you.
With all due respect, as the host, Indonesia would like to express gratitude for the meaningful opening remarks from the representative of our ASEAN Plus 3 partner countries. We deeply appreciate the cooperation and spirit demonstrated in this meeting. Now, let us collectively commence our plenary session to discuss the important agendas we have set. I invite all ASEAN Plus 3 representatives to participate in the session with enthusiasm and engagement. With this, I conclude this opening address and hope for a smooth and fruitful plenary session, yielding beneficial discussion for us. Thank you.
Distinguished delegates, esteemed colleagues, as the chairman of this esteemed gathering, I kindly request Indonesia, as our gracious host, to initiate the plenary session. Your esteemed participation and leadership in guiding us through the deliberation are paramount. Indonesian stewardship is steering this session will undoubtedly set the tone for constructive dialogue and fruitful outcomes. With the utmost respect and anticipation, I defer to Indonesia to commence the plenary session at their earliest convenience. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Esteemed delegates, for providing a platform to elaborate our own Indonesia agenda for the forthcoming to 16 ASEAN Plus 3 Summit. Indonesia vision and strategic objective underscore or steadfast commitment to advancing regional cooperation and stable development, fostering a future of shared prosperity and mutual benefit. At the heart of Indonesia agenda lies a firm commitment to promoting sustainable tourism development, as encompassed in our 3-point plan. Firstly, we endeavor to identify and harness the potential of special interest tourism, including eco-tourism, cultural tourism, and culinary tourism. By collaboration with our ASEAN Plus 3 partners, we aim to develop comprehensive action plans to promote and sustainable develop this tourist segment, while facilitating knowledge and technology action to enhance management capacities. Furthermore, Indonesia recognizes the pivotal role of collaboration with influencers and travel agencies in promoting sustainable tourism destination. Through the strategic partnership and engaging promotional content, we seek to showcase Indonesia diverse attraction and encourage responsible travel practice, thereby expanding our tourism footprint across the region. In parallel, Indonesia is committed to fostering collaboration among local governments, the private sector, and local communities to drive sustainable tourism development. By facilitating dialogue, encouraging private sector investment, and implement educational program, we aim to empower local stakeholders to actively participate in and benefit from tourism activities, while preserving our cultural and natural heritage. Switching gears to capacity building, Indonesia prioritize initiation aimed at achieving workforce skill, technology transfer, innovation, and SME development through training programs, research collaboration, and technical assistance. We aim to build human capital, process, and implementation drive ecosystem conducive to sustainable growth and prosperity. Lastly, in technology application, Indonesia is at the forefront of digital transformation, championing initiative to promote e-commerce, finance, smart city, and green technology adoption. By embracing the opportunity offered by Indonesia 4.0 technologies and advocating for sustainable practice, Indonesia seeks to drive socio-economic progress while addressing pressing environmental challenges. In closing, Indonesia extends its heartfelt appreciation to the chairman and fill the gate for the opportunity to articulate our vision and contribution to ASEAN Plus 3 framework. As we embark on this collective journey of cooperation and collaboration, Indonesia remains steadfast in its commitment to shaping a future of resilience, inclusivity, and sustainable development for the ASEAN Plus 3 community. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chairman, esteemed delegates, for the opportunity to delve deeper into Malaysia's pivotal role and aspiration within the 26 ASEAN Plus 3 Summit. Malaysia's commitment to fostering regional cooperation and sustainable development is unwavering as we navigate through the multifaceted challenges and opportunities facing our dynamic region. In multilateral cooperation, we recognize the imperative of safeguarding peace and stability in our shared maritime territories, particularly in the South China Sea. Our steadfast support for stronger maritime collaboration underscores our dedication to combating transnational threats such as piracy and human trafficking, ensuring the safety and security of our maritime routes. Moreover, in bilateral cooperation, Malaysia's strategic partnership with China, Japan, and South Korea underscores our commitment to advancing mutually beneficial relations across various domains, from economic cooperation to infrastructure development and beyond. This partnership exemplify Malaysia's proactive approach to fostering meaningful engagement that drives sustainable growth and prosperity for all stakeholders involved. Turning to capacity building, Malaysia places a premium on nurturing human capital and fostering innovation-driven economies by advancing workforce skills and knowledge, facilitating technology transfers, and promoting SME development. Malaysia seeks to empower the individuals and business alike to thrive in an increasingly competitive global landscape. Furthermore, our efforts in research and development collaboration and the provision of technical assistance underscores our commitment to building robust, resilient societies equipped to tackle emerging challenges head-on. In the realm of technology application, Malaysia is at forefront of digital transformation, spearheading initiative to harness the power of technology for inclusive growth and sustainable development. From promoting the digital economy and smart city initiative to championing green technology adoption, Malaysia is paving the way for a future where innovation serves as a catalyst for positive change. By embracing Industry 4.0 technologies and advocating for sustainable practice, Malaysia aims to drive socio-economic progress while safeguarding our environment for future generations. In conclusion, Malaysia extends its heartfelt gratitude to the chairman and fellow delegates for the opportunity to share our visions and contributions to the collective prosperity of the ASEAN Plus region. As we embark on this journey of collaboration and cooperation, Malaysia stands ready to play an active role in shaping a brighter, more resilient future for all of us. Thank you.
Chairman, esteemed delegates, Singapore is pleased to present our comprehensive vision for the future of ASEAN Plus. With a strong and focus on sustainable tourism infrastructure development as a global leader in innovation and sustainability, Singapore envisions a future where cutting-edge technological solutions, integrated transportation system, environmentally conscious building design, and collaborative partnerships drive the development of a resilient and sustainable tourism landscape across the ASEAN Pacific region. In embracing innovative technological solutions, Singapore is committed to leveraging advancement in artificial intelligence, data analytics, and digital platforms to revolutionize tourism infrastructure management. Our vision entails the implementation of smart tourism system, IoT-enabled devices, and digital platforms that enhance visitor experience, optimize resource utilization, and minimize environmental impact. By harnessing technology, we aim to create seamless, personalized, and sustainable travel experience that resonate with modern travels while preserving the integrity of our natural and cultural heritage sites. Panjang ya. Sustainable transportation management lies at the heart of our vision for a greener and more accessible tourism ecosystem. Singapore is dedicated to developing integrated and sustainable transportation network that prioritize public transit, cycling infrastructure, and pedestrian-friendly pathways. Through investment in green transportation technologies, intelligent traffic management systems, and multimodal connectivity, we aspire to reduce carbon emission, alleviate congestion, and enhance mobility in tourism destinations. By promoting eco-friendly travel options in encouraging model shift towards sustainable transport modes, we aim to create inclusive and environmentally conscious tourism experience for all visitors. Environmentally friendly building design is another key pillar of Singapore's vision for sustainable tourism infrastructure. Our approach emphasizes the integration of green building principles, energy efficient technologies, and renewable energy sources into the design of construction of tourism facilities. From eco-friendly hotels and resorts to sustainable attraction and cultural centers, Singapore strives to set the standard for sustainable building practices that minimize environmental footprint, optimize energy performance, and enhance visitor comfort and well-being. Bilateral and multilateral cooperation play a crucial role in realizing our vision for sustainable tourism infrastructure development. Singapore actively engages with neighboring countries, international organizations, and development partners to share knowledge, expertise, and best practices in sustainable infrastructure planning and financing. Through strategic partnerships, joint initiative, and capacity building programs, we aim to foster innovation, facilitate technology transfer, and addresses common challenges in sustainable tourism infrastructure development. By working together, we can unlock new opportunities, overcome barriers, and create a more sustainable and resilient tourism future for the ASEAN Plus 3 region and beyond. In conclusion, Singapore's vision for ASEAN Plus 3 is rooted in collaboration, innovation, and sustainability. Through the integration of cutting-edge technology, green transportation solutions, eco-friendly building design, and collaborative partnerships, we aspire to create a future where tourism thrives in harmony with nature, culture, and communities. Thank you for your attention and support as we collectively work towards a brighter and more sustainable future for tourism in the ASEAN Plus 3 region.
Chairman, esteemed delegates, on behalf of China, I express sincere gratitude for the opportunity to share our perspective on advancing sustainable tourism within the ASEAN Plus 3 framework. China's vision emphasizes collaborative partnerships, sustained coordination efforts, and leveraging technology to drive forward sustainable tourism initiatives in the region. We are steadfast in our commitment to fostering robust partnerships with ASEAN Plus 3 nations to propel sustainable tourism and endeavors. Tourism endeavors forwards. China pledges unwavering support to our counterparts in building essential capacities and infrastructural foundations necessary for the growth and resilience of the sustainable tourism sector. Encouraging cross-border collaboration in research and development endeavors geared towards sustainable tourism practice remains a top priority. Moreover, China advocates for the establishment of regional coordination mechanisms dedicates to fostering sustainable tourism practice. This mechanism serves as vital conduits for the exchange of insights, experience, and the formulation of collective strategies to bolster sustainable tourism endeavors. China stands ready to actively engage and contribute within this regional coordination framework to drive progress. Recognizing the transformative potential of technology, China underscores the importance of embracing technological innovation to promote sustainable tourism initiative forward. Leveraging technology can significantly enhance the efficiency, accessibility, and attractiveness of tourism service while advancing sustainability goals. China is committed to effectively utilizing technology to promote sustainable tourism offerings to prospective travelers. Examples of implementable programs. In partnerships-based approach, China envisions establishing online platforms to facilitate the seamless exchange of information and best practices pertinent to sustainable tourism. We also propose conducting target training programs and workshops to bolster the human capital essential for driving sustainable tourism efforts. Additionally, China commits to providing financial aid to support the sustainable tourism development endeavors of ASEAN Plus 3 nations. Sustained coordination efforts will involve conferring regular meetings among ASEAN Plus 3 tourism ministers to deliberate on emerging trends, challenges, and collaborative opportunities in the realm of sustainable tourism. Formulating cohesive strategies and action plans aimed at promoting sustainable tourism practice across the ASEAN Plus 3 region will be a priority. Moreover, developing a shared repository of data and insight to inform evidence-based decision-making in sustainable tourism initiative is impressive. In terms of technology utilization, China proposed developing user-friendly mobile application designed to facilitate travelers in planning sustainable trips and accessing pertinent destination information. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to offer tailored tourism recommendations to travel based on their preference and interests will be explored. Additionally, investing in digital infrastructure enhancements within tourist destinations to enhance visitor experience while promoting sustainability objective is crucial. In conclusion, China reaffirms its unwavering commitment to collaborative endeavors aimed at fostering sustainable tourism within the ASEAN Plus 3 framework. Through synergistic
Synergistic.
synergistic partnerships, sustained coordination mechanism, and leveraging technology. China remains steadfast in its belief that sustainable tourism serves as a catalyst for fostering economic growth and social well-being across the ASEAN Plus 2 region.
Chairman, esteemed delegates, Japan extends its sincere gratitude for the opportunity to share our vision in initiative for fostering sustainable development within the ASEAN Plus 3 framework. Japan has outlined comprehensive measures aimed at mitigating negative impact and promoting sustainable practice, encompassing the preservation of cultural heritage, disaster risk management, and tourism awareness education. In preserving our rich cultural heritage, Japan is committed to revitalizing traditional festival and initiation heritage conservation project, ensuring the continued vibrancy and significance of iconic landmarks such as the historic monuments of ancient Kyoto and the shrines and temples of Nikko. These efforts are complemented by innovative approach, including the digitalization of cultural artifacts and the promotion of cultural exchange, fostering greater appreciation and understanding among deserved communities. Furthermore, Japan places a strong emphasis on disaster risk management, leveraging advanced technology to bolster early warning system and empower communities through communities-based disaster preparedness initiatives. For instance, Japan has developed sophisticated earthquake and tsunami early warning system, which have proven instrumental in minimizing casualties and damage during natural disasters. Additionally, Japan actively participates in regional collaboration and knowledge sharing platforms to enhance disaster resilience across the ASEAN Plus 3 regions. Moreover, Japan recognizes the importance of tourism awareness, education, and is dedicated to launching educational campaigns and workshops. These efforts aim to raise awareness about the significance of cultural heritage sites, promote responsibility tourism practice, and educate stakeholders on environmental conservation within the tourism industry. Japan also fosters partnerships with local communities and stakeholders to develop sustainable tourism strategies and balance economic growth with environmental preservation and cultural integrity. Through the implementation of these measures, Japan is steadfast in its commitment to contributing to the sustainable development goals of the ASEAN Plus 3 region. By preserving cultural heritage, managing disaster risk, and promoting tourist awareness, Japan aims to foster a more resilient and sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you.
Chairman, esteemed delegates, on behalf of the Republic of Korea, I aim at advancing cooperation in the field of training and education within the ASEAN Plus 3 framework. Our agenda, termed Enhancing Regional Cooperation Through Innovative and Sustainable Training and Education, underscores our commitment to fostering mutual growth and prosperity across the region. Our objectives are multifaceted, aiming to strengthen regional cooperation in training and education, enhance access to quality training and education, bolster skills and knowledge to meet the demands of future industries, and promote environmental awareness and sustainable development. In our pursuit of these objectives, we recognize the critical role of collaborative partnerships and collective action. By working hand in hand with our ASEAN Plus 3 counterparts, we believe we can achieve meaningful progress and address the challenges facing our region. Our flagship programs are designed with these objectives in mind. Firstly, the program Training for Future Industries endeavors to prepare a skilled workforce for emerging industries such as AI, robotics, and biotechnology. This program includes collaborative training initiatives, scholarship provisions, and expert exchange to ensure a robust talent pool ready to meet the demands of tomorrow's industries. Secondly, technology-based education aims to elevate educational standards through technological integration, including online learning platforms, AI-driven personalized learning, and immersive VR or AR experience. These initiatives are poised to revolutionize the educational landscape, ensuring students receive a cutting-edge learning experience tailored to their needs. Lastly, our environmental awareness and sustainable development programs seeks to instill a sense of environmental stewardship and commitment to sustainable practice. By integrating environmental education into school curricula, developing educational programs on climate change and environmental preservation, and launching awareness campaigns, we aim to cultivate a generation of environmentally conscious citizens. Through strengthened regional cooperation mechanisms, including information exchange, joint program development, resource mobilizations, and platform enhancement, we anticipate tangible outcomes. These includes increased regional cooperation in training and education, improved access to relevant and quality education aligned with future industry needs, and enhanced workforce skills and knowledge, and heightened awareness and commitment to environmental preservation and sustainable development. In conclusion, the Republic of Korea remains dedicated to collaborative efforts within the ASEAN Plus 3 framework to foster inclusive growth and sustainable development. We extend our deepest gratitude to the Chairman and all delegates for their invaluable time and attention. Together, let us forge a brighter future for the ASEAN Plus 3 community. Thank you.
Esteemed delegates, as the chairman presiding over our distinguished assembly, I extend my profound gratitude to each of our esteemed representatives from Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, China, Japan, and South Korea. Your insightful contribution and visionary perspective have enriched our deliberation profoundly, illuminating the path toward enhanced cooperation with the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. Your unwavering commitment to advancing mutual understanding, cooperation, and sustainable development exemplifies the spirit of collaboration that defines our shared objectives. Through your proactive engagement, we have charted a course toward fostering innovation, promoting economic prosperity, and nurturing enduring partnership across our region. In light of the invaluable discourse that has transpired thus far, I hereby announce a brief recess for a coffee break. This interlude will afford us the opportunity to recharge and reflect on the significant insight exchange, ensuring that we return with the renewed vigor and focus to continue our deliberation. Once again, I extend my deepest appreciation to each delegate for their invaluable contribution and steadfast dedication to our collective endeavors. Thank you. Esteemed delegates, allow me to extend my sincerest gratitude to each distinguished delegates representing Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, China, Japan, and South Korea. Your profound insight and unwavering dedication have been invaluable in guiding our discussion toward meaningful outcomes within the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. Your esteemed presence and contribution have greatly enriched our deliberation, fostering in a spirit of collaboration and cooperation that is essential for addressing the challenges and opportunities facing our region. As we gather once again following the brief coffee break, I am confident that the momentum generated by our collective efforts will lead us to impactful solutions and tangible results. With the conclusion of our interlude, I hereby declare the resumption of our proceedings. Let us redouble our commitment to constructive dialogue and concerted action as we navigate the complexities of our shared agenda. Once again, I express my deepest appreciation to each delegate for their steadfast commitment and invaluable contribution. May our deliberation be characterized by the utmost decorum, respect, and productivity as we endeavor to chart a course towards a brighter future for all. Thank you. Distinguished delegates, as we resume our proceeding, I respectfully invite the esteemed host, Indonesia, to initiate the presentation of their comprehensive conclusion and insight delivered from our deliberation with the ASEAN Plus 3 framework. Indonesia's pivotal role as the host nation exemplifies their commitment to fostering constructive dialogue and collaboration among our esteemed members. I am certain that their summary will provide infallible direction and serve as a cornerstone for our collective efforts moving forward. With profound respect and anticipation, I now yield the floor to Indonesia to share their esteemed conclusion and recommendation with the Assembly. Thank you.
When credit to estimate chairman for providing this invaluable opportunity, Indonesia extend its sincere appreciation in the endeavor to advance cultural development. Indonesia, Malaysia, and South Korea are poised to collaborate and sustainable innovation within the ASEAN Plus 3 framework. Through joint efforts, these nations aim to establish specialist training programs tailored to the needs of tourist professionals. For example, Indonesia may offer impressive workshops on traditional dance form. Malaysia could provide training in culinary arts, showcasing local delegates, while South Korea may focus on experiential learning opportunity related to K-pop culture. By harnessing the rich cultural heritage of each nation, this program will not only elevate the experience of tour guides, but also increase visitor experience when authentic and engaging encounters. Moreover, the collaboration between Indonesia, Malaysia, and South Korea extend to embracing technology in tourism. For instance, Indonesia might introduce virtual reality tours of historic sites. Malaysia might implement mobile apps for guide tours in national parks, and South Korea could leverage augmented reality experience in culture exhibition. By integrating technology into tourist practice, these nations demonstrate their commitment to innovation while ensuring the presentation and promotion of cultural heritage. Additionally, development consent is a cornerstone of the collaboration efforts. Indonesia might lead initiative for sustainable waste management in tourist area. Malaysia could implement eco-friendly transportation options, and South Korea might launch awards campaigns of biodiversity conservation. Throughout these initiatives, Indonesia, Malaysia, and South Korea aim to instill a sense of responsibility among tourists and local alike, fostering a culture of sustainable that ensures the longevity of cultural tourism in the Asian Pacific region. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, I extend my deepest gratitude to Indonesia for their comprehensive presentation outlining the conclusion derived from our deliberations. Their dedication to advancing sustainable innovation in cultural tourism exemplifies the spirit of cooperation within the ASEAN Plus 3 Alliance. With profound appreciation for their invaluable contribution, I humbly invite Singapore to share their esteemed insight on the outcomes of our discussion. Your Excellencies, Singapore is honored to present the collective vision articulated by Japan, China, and our nation. Together, we emphasize the importance of integrating technology, disaster risk management, and cultural preservation in advancing sustainable tourism within the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. Through bilateral collaboration and innovative solutions, we aspire to establish resilient tourism ecosystem that prioritize environmental conservation and enhance our visitor experience. This unified approach underscores our unwavering commitment to sustainable development and collaboration within the ASEAN Plus 3 Alliance. With esteemed regard, Chairman, Singapore enthusiastically embraced the collaborative initiative proposed by Japan and China within the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. Recognizing the pivotal role of such a partnership in fostering sustainable tourism development. In alignment with Japan's emphasis on disaster risk management, Singapore stands ready to offer its expertise in technology and innovation to bolster resilience against natural calamities. Through joint research endeavors and knowledge exchange, we aim to co-create innovative solutions that mitigate the impact of disaster on tourism infrastructure and local communities. Furthermore, Singapore is eager to engage with China in partner-based approach, leveraging their abundant human resources and expertise. By fostering strategic alliances, we envision enhancing the capacity and effectiveness of sustainable tourism initiatives, ensuring they remain inclusive, resilient, and aligned with regional development goals. In addition to our collaboration with Japan and China, Singapore is deeply committed to advancing sustainable tourism practices within the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. Our approach encompasses a multifaceted strategy that emphasizes innovation, collaboration, and sustainability across various dimensions of tourism development. Firstly, Singapore prioritized the integration of cutting-edge technology to enhance disaster risk management capabilities. Through research and development initiative, we aim to leverage artificial intelligence, data analytics, and remote sensing technologies to improve early warning system, enhance disaster preparedness, and minimize the impact of natural disaster on tourism destination. Secondly, Singapore underscored the importance of fostering partnership and a shared sense of responsibility in promoting sustainable tourism. We advocate for a collaborative approach that involves stakeholders from government agencies, private sector, civil society organizations, and local communities. By facilitating dialogue, knowledge exchange, and joint initiative, we can collectively address common challenges and seize opportunities for sustainable tourism development. Furthermore, Singapore places a strong emphasis on capacity building and education as catalysts for sustainable tourism. We believe investing in human capital and empowering individuals with the knowledge, skills, and values necessary to drive positive change. Through training programs, workshops, and awareness campaigns, we aim to cultivate a tourism workforce that is equipped to uphold sustainability principles, deliver high-quality visitor experience, and contribute to the resilience of tourism destinations. As we navigate the complex landscape of tourism development, Singapore remains steadfast in its commitment to forging partnerships leveraging technology and nurturing a culture of sustainability to shape a more resilient, inclusive future for ASEAN Plus 3. Thank you. Your Excellencies, I extend my sincere gratitude to each esteemed leader representing the ASEAN Plus 3 nations for their active participation and insightful contribution throughout our deliberation. Your commitment to cooperation and constructive dialogue has been instrumental in advancing our collective efforts towards regional prosperity and sustainable development. As we conclude our discussion, allow me to provide an overview of the key conclusions and outcomes arising from our negotiation. The deliberations have yielded valuable insight and consensus on several critical issues, including but not limited to sustainable tourism, disaster risk management, technology innovation, and environmental conservation. Through fruitful exchanges of ideas and perspectives, we have identified common goals, shared challenges, and collaborative opportunities that will guide our collective action moving towards. With your permission, I shall proceed the outline to the conclusion and agreement reached during our deliberation. It is my hope that these outcomes will serve as a foundation for enhanced cooperation, mutual understanding, and tangible process within the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. Together, let us continue our journey towards a more resilient, inclusive, and prosperous future for all. Thank you. Esteemed delegates, I extend my sincere appreciation to Indonesia, Malaysia, and South Korea for their comprehensive and collaborative approach to advancing cultural tourism with the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. Their commitment to sustainable innovation and cultural preservation is commendable and reflects the shared values and goals of our alliance. From the detailed proposal presented by Indonesia, Malaysia, and South Korea, it is evident that their joint effort focus on enhancing the quality and authenticity of visitor experience while promoting responsible tourism practice. The emphasis on specialized training programs, integration of technology, and environmental consciousness underscores their dedication to ensuring the long-term sustainability of cultural tourism in our region. Through immersive workshops, virtual reality tours, mobile apps, and eco-friendly initiatives, Indonesia, Malaysia, and South Korea aim to elevate the skill of tourism professionals, enrich cultural encounters, and minimize environmental impact. This initiative not only contribute to the preservation of cultural heritage but also foster a deep appreciation for the diverse landscape, tradition, and ecosystem across our region. As we conclude our discussion on this matter, I commend Indonesia, Malaysia, and South Korea for their proactive approach and collaborative spirit. Their initiative exemplify the spirit of cooperation and innovation that defines the ASEAN Plus 3 Alliance. Moving forward, let us continue to support and amplify such initiatives that promote sustainable development and cultural exchange within our region. I also extend my sincere gratitude to Singapore for articulating the collective vision presented by Japan, China, and Singapore regarding sustainable tourism within the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks. This comprehensive approach underscores the importance of integrating technology, disaster risk management, and cultural preservation to advance sustainable tourism practice. From Singapore's detailed presentation, it is evident that their commitment to innovation, collaboration, and sustainability align closely with the objective for our alliance. By prioritizing the integration of cutting-edge technology in disaster risk management and fostering strategic partnerships, Singapore exemplifies the spirit of cooperation and forward-thinking necessary for sustainable tourism development. As we reflect on Singapore's proposal, it is clear that their multifaceted strategy encompasses capacity building, education, and stakeholder to drive positive change in the tourism sector. By investing the human capital in fostering a culture of sustainability, Singapore demonstrated a commitment to shaping a resilient and inclusive future for ASEAN Plus 3. In conclusion, I commend Singapore for their proactive approach and commendable efforts in advancing sustainable tourism within our region. Moving forward, let us continue to support and amplify initiatives that promote collaboration, innovation, and sustainability in the tourism sector. Thank you. As team delegates, with the conclusion of our deliberation on sustainable tourism within the ASEAN Plus 3 frameworks, I would like to express my gratitude to each of you for your invaluable contribution, insights, and commitment to our collective goals. Over the course of our discussion, we have witnessed a wealth of innovative ideas, collaborative initiatives, and shared vision that underscore the importance of sustainable development in the tourism sector. As we draw this session to a close, I am heartened by the spirit of cooperation and solidarity demonstrated by all participating nations. Your dedication to fostering partnership, leveraging technology, and promoting cultural preservation serves as a testament to our shared commitment to building a more resilient, inclusive, and sustainable future for ASEAN Plus 3. I would like to extend a special word of thanks to the host country and all organizing partners for their hospitality, logistical support, and tireless effort in facilitating productive discussion throughout our meeting. Your commitment to ensuring the success of this gathering has been instrumental in achieving our objective. In closing, let us reaffirm our collective resolve to translate our discussion into concrete action and initiative that will contribute to the advancement of sustainable tourism within the ASEAN Plus 3 region. Together, we can build a brighter future for our communities, economies, and environment. Thank you all.